Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best Hexagon Lights is probably one of the most exciting and versatile ways to transform any room into a dynamic and personalized space, offering a unique blend of ambient illumination and customizable aesthetics that can elevate your gaming setup, home office, or entertainment area with a futuristic and eye-catching glow. Number 5. Nanoleaf Shapes Hexagon Smarter Kit. Unleash your creativity with these modular smart wall panels. You can build and expand your designs to fit any room, creating unique patterns and shapes. Customize your lighting with over 16 million RGBW colors and dynamic animations. Create the perfect mood for any occasion, from relaxing evenings to lively parties. Setting up your new lights is a breeze. Simply use the included adhesive tape to mount them on any flat surface without any drilling. Watch your music come alive as the lights dance to the beat. You can also mirror your screen for an immersive gaming or movie experience. Control your lights effortlessly through the Nanoleaf app, voice commands with Alexa or Google Assistant, or the built-in controller. Set schedules to automate your lighting, making your daily routine smoother. Have them turn on or off at specific times to suit your lifestyle. What we like. If you're looking for ultimate customization and an immersive entertainment experience, this is the one. Its expandable modular design lets you create truly unique wall art, and the screen mirroring feature brings your games and movies to life. If you love gaming or movie nights, you should consider this. What people say. The lights are very bright and the colors are vibrant. The app control is intuitive and easy to use, allowing for customization of colors and patterns. The modular design allows for creative arrangements and expansion. Number 4. ODISTAR Remote Control Hexagon Wall Light. Introducing a revolutionary way to illuminate your home. These modular lights offer endless possibilities for customization and ambience. Effortlessly change colors and modes with the included remote. Adjust brightness, set timers, and choose from vibrant monochrome or dynamic color changing effects. With convenient USB power, you can connect these lights to power banks, computers, or any USB adapter. This makes them perfect for any room or even on the go. Design your own unique lighting configurations using the hexagonal modules. Simply touch them to turn them on or off, and switch between 13 fixed colors and 3 dynamic modes. These lights are more than just illumination, they're a statement piece. Their minimalist and geometric design enhances any decor, easily connecting to create your ideal structure. Perfect for living rooms, bedrooms, studies, and more. Let these lights add a touch of modern elegance to any space in your home. We ensure every product meets our high standards. If you encounter any issues, our dedicated customer service is here to help with a replacement. What we like. For those who appreciate simplicity and versatility, this option is a great choice. The USB power makes it easy to set up anywhere, and the touch-sensitive panels offer an interactive way to control the lights. If you want a portable and easy-to-use lighting solution, you should consider this. What people say. They are bright and easy to install. My autistic daughter loves these lights. They are easy for her to change the colors. This light is awesome. The color changing and reconfiguring makes it so much fun and always different. Number 3. Hexagon LED Light Panels 8-pack. Experience lighting that moves to the beat of your music. With millions of colors and dynamic modes, it brings your space to life. Enjoy over 30,000 hours of vibrant, flicker-free illumination. Take full command of your ambience with our intuitive app or the convenient remote. Easily adjust colors, modes, brightness, and even set timers for personalized lighting scenes. These modular panels connect in any configuration you can imagine. Design unique wall art that perfectly complements your gaming setup, bedroom, or living room. Add a splash of color and smooth transitions to any space. It's the perfect fusion of technology and art for modern home decoration. Setting them up is a breeze with the included adhesive tape and clear instructions. Built for durability and reliability, they make a fantastic gift for anyone who loves tech and decor. What we like. If you want a blend of smart control and vibrant visual effects, this is a fantastic option. With both app and remote control, plus music synchronization, it's perfect for parties or creating an energetic atmosphere. If you enjoy dynamic lighting that reacts to sound, you should consider this. What people say. These lights are easily the highest quality and most customizable good-looking LED lights that I've ever purchased. Not only do they come with an actually well-made remote to control them with, but you can also download the app, which gives you access to hundreds of more different light patterns, as well as giving you the ability to customize your own pattern controlling each of the 7 LED light bulbs inside of the hexagon-shaped enclosure. The adhesive is great quality. I applied the adhesive to drywall in my house and they seem more than permanent, and I am confident they will stay stuck to the wall. The app is fairly easy to use and has so many options. It's hard to even pick which one you want. The remote that it comes with is very handy. It makes changing the brightness, color and settings very easy. Number 2. YXQUA Hexagonal Modular Touch Sensitive Lights. Introducing a revolutionary way to light up your home. These modular lights offer endless possibilities for customization and style. Easily control colors and modes with a simple touch or the included remote. Create your perfect ambience with 13 vibrant colors and dynamic lighting effects. Featuring a unique USB power design, these lights can be powered by a power bank or computer. Enjoy versatile placement options for any scenario. Unleash your creativity with the modular, hexagonal design. Connect the pieces to build any structure that suits your needs and personal style. These lights blend minimalist and geometric aesthetics to not only illuminate but also enhance your home's decor. They are perfect for living rooms, bedrooms, and more. We ensure every product is checked before shipping. If you encounter any issues, please contact us for a replacement. Enjoy your shopping experience with confidence. What we like. This is ideal for DIY enthusiasts and those who want a creative lighting solution. The modular and touch-sensitive design allows for endless configurations, and the USB power offers flexibility in placement. If you enjoy personalizing your space and experimenting with designs, you should consider this. What people say. The touch-sensitive panels make it super easy to turn them on and off, and you can arrange them in any shape you like. The minimalist white design looks great on my wall and adds a modern touch to the space. Installation was simple with the USB connection, no tools or wall holes needed. Soft lights for my tiny room without ceiling light. This hexagonal lights are quite decent. It's not RGB, just regular white light, which is more than fine with me. Very easy to assemble, connect and plug USB cables. The Hexagon LED lights add a soothing, customizable glow that makes the room feel magical. Each item encourages movement, learning, and sensory exploration, highly recommend for both playrooms and therapy spaces. Number 1. Nanoleaf Elements with Look Smarter Kit. Elevate your space with a premium wood-inspired texture. It transforms any wall into a stunning piece of natural art, adding an elegant aesthetic whether the lights are on or off. Enjoy effortless control with compatibility for Apple HomeKit, Google Assistant, and Alexa. Easily manage brightness, scenes, and scheduling through the intuitive Nanoleaf app. Create the perfect ambience with adjustable white temperatures from 1500K to 4000K. Mimic natural light patterns, from a cozy fireplace glow to bright daylight. Start with this 7-panel kit and expand your creation with additional hexagon panels. Design unlimited geometric patterns with simple snap-together connectors. Set up in minutes with included damage-free mounting adhesive. Its rearrangeable design allows for creative freedom with simple peel and stick application on any flat surface. What we like. If you're aiming for an elegant and natural aesthetic, this is the perfect choice. The premium wood-inspired design adds a touch of sophistication, and the adjustable warm-to-cool white lighting creates a cozy ambience. If you value natural materials and customizable mood lighting, you should consider this. What people say. Nice design with interlocking hexagons. Simple install. Smart home options. Expandable. Bright and variety of whites. You can use auto brightness adjust manually. Also set various whites from cool to warm to sunrise sunset oranges. It comes with a large library of presets that you can save to your favorites for it to cycle upon shuffle, from cloud motion to star twinkle to starbursts to neon. Plus of course the music mode. The rotating circle panel makes it easier to adjust once it's on the wall, which is nice. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.